Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the advanceautoparts.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to Advance Auto Parts, its website lets customers shop online for automotive replacement parts, maintenance products, batteries, brakes, tools, accessories, fluids, and other vehicle-related products. Customers can enter their vehicle information to find compatible products and choose available options including shipping, in-store pickup, curbside pickup, and same-day delivery in supported areas. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Advance Auto Parts carries products across categories including brake pads and rotors, batteries, alternators, starters, spark plugs, oil filters, motor oil, air filters, cabin air filters, performance products, and other automotive parts and maintenance supplies. Customers can add a vehicle using information such as the year, make, model, and engine. The website also supports vehicle lookup using a license plate or VIN, helping customers narrow the available products to parts intended for their vehicle. However, customers should still review individual product information and confirm that a part is appropriate for their particular vehicle before purchasing. Advance Auto Parts offers free in-store pickup for eligible in-stock products. According to its current pickup information, qualifying orders can be ready approximately 30 minutes after ordering. Customers should wait for their confirmation email before going to the selected store. Curbside pickup is also available for qualifying orders. After arriving, customers can remain in their vehicle, contact the store, and provide the information needed for a team member to bring out the order. Advance Auto Parts also provides ship-to-home. According to its current shipping information, standard shipping is free on qualifying orders over $35 to addresses in the continental United States. Alaska, Hawaii, and U.S. territories are excluded from that particular free shipping offer, and certain products have shipping restrictions. Same-day home delivery is available for eligible in-stock products in select markets. Availability depends on the customer's location and individual product. Advance Auto Parts also operates a loyalty program called Advance Rewards. This is important because Advance Rewards replaced the previous Speed Perks program in February 2026. Advance Rewards is free to join and currently has 3 membership levels: First Gear, Second Gear, and Top Gear. First Gear members earn 5 points per qualifying dollar spent. Customers who reach $500 in annual qualifying spending can reach Second Gear and earn 8 points per dollar, while customers reaching $1,000 can qualify for Top Gear and earn 10 points per dollar. The program also provides bonus point offers and allows members to combine eligible rewards for up to $100 in savings through the Advance Auto Parts mobile app, subject to the program's terms. Advance Auto Parts stores also provide several free in-store services. The company's current website highlights services including battery testing and installation, oil recycling, and wiper installation, with availability and requirements depending on the service and product. For returns, Advance Auto Parts currently allows eligible products to be returned within 45 days of purchase when they are in new condition. Products generally need to be in their original condition and packaging, unopened and uninstalled, with the original materials included. Eligible online purchases can be returned to an Advance Auto Parts store. Customers should have their receipt or order confirmation information available, and valid identification is required for returns. Refunds with proof of purchase are generally credited back using the original payment method. Shipping and handling charges are normally non-refundable unless the return resulted from an Advance Auto Parts error. Some merchandise has separate restrictions. Clearance and products sold as is are non-refundable, certain open products cannot be returned, and some special order or commercial tools and equipment can have a restocking fee. Certain replacement automotive components can also include a core charge. To receive the applicable core refund, the old component generally needs to be the exact type associated with the purchase part and returned in the required rebuildable condition. Product prices, promotions, advance rewards benefits, inventory, shipping options, warranties, and return requirements can change, so users should check Advance Auto Parts' current information and individual product details before purchasing. For users interested in shopping for automotive replacement parts, batteries, maintenance products, tools, and vehicle accessories, Advance Auto Parts could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.